It is November the 1st, 2021. I'm Andy, and this is the Minorcan Mullet Report from the St.Simons Sound today and the Brunswick Channel. It was moving day for the VB10000. I know that a lot of you probably watched the live feed and saw the prequel to what we've got here, setting up, seeing the tugs get into place. Here we can see the dive boat alongside the port side rear thruster of the VB10000. They got something in the wheel on their way out in the thruster in the propulsion unit, and they were down trying to get that straightened out. Now, there was a window for this VB10000 to get out of the channel where they weren't expecting any traffic in or out. So what they decided to do is go ahead and head on out and get outside of the channel into the open ocean, and then they were going to let the divers get back and work on this, removing whatever is in the thruster. But it was quite an interesting day, and for us it kind of started kind of early. We got a phone call from one of the pilots. They had an outbound, you may have seen it, ship. The pilot boat was back out and they needed a ride out to the tugboats. We were happy to oblige.
Not bad there, Mr. Mullet. Not bad.
And that voice sounded familiar. That was Captain Buddy Cantrelle on the leader, helping guide the rig out. Here we see the Crosby leader. The leader was on the bridle out front. The star was inside the VB along the starboard pontoon, and the cheetah was inside along the port side pontoon. And those three tugs helped get this VB10000 out of the channel today. And we took a ride with them, and we got a little drone footage and some shots, parting shots, and it was a bit of a different day for us to get out and see the VB leave. You know, it's been a part of the area for a pretty long time now, and it's going to take us a little while to get used to looking over there in the Sound and not seeing either a ship on its side or the VB10000. Now, we know there's still work that's got to be done underneath the water. There's still vehicles down there that have to be dealt with, and some of the ship pieces that broke off when it came up. But today was a happy day, and this chapter of the removal is coming to a close with the VB headed back out. Its next assignment is in Mexico, so these guys have got a pretty long trip ahead of them, and we certainly wish them the best. Just one of those things where you don't want to see it leave, but yeah, you're really happy that it's going. And I guess that's the best way we could sum it up. We were able to get in and get some close-up shots here. We hope you kind of enjoy these videos and just kind of take it in of what the day was today. following up behind the VB10000, we could see the Little Duke, the dive boat, making its way out. It still had some work to do to get that propulsion unit cleaned out, and the Brunswick pilot boat following out to retrieve the pilots from the tugboats. And we have a shot back from the Crosby leader kind of looking down through the throat of the VB with the Cheetah and the Crosby Star inside helping out. And it was watching the VB coming through the channel as it's making its way through there. There's not a lot of room between the double set of buoys here. The red buoys are on the north side, the green buoys are on the south side, and we saw a couple places in there where it was pretty snug for this just massive structure, this floating gantry crane to make its way through the crane. But the pilots did a great job. Crews on the tugs able to just maneuver it right on through there, get it out, and now out at sea and gone from the wreck site. And we kind of see the wreck site there in the background. Just really looks different. Sound is starting to get back to what we remember it looking like. We look forward to seeing the rest of the debris out of the water and things moving back and trying to get everything healed back up where it needs to be.
Leader Mullet, y'all on channel 13.
Yeah, come on, Captain Andy.
We're fitting to turn around and point her back to the hill. I want y'all to have a safe trip. I've certainly enjoyed everything that's taken place. Y'all be careful. And I don't know if we'll see you again, but keep the lines tight. You fellas take care now.
We sure do thank you, man. Like all my other fellow captains and out here, man, we really enjoy your filming and all, keeping our personnel at the office and all watches you every morning. And hopefully we'll maybe get a chance to come back in here, but under better terms, maybe with a regular old board instead of something like this.
I look forward to the day. You guys be careful. We've certainly enjoyed it. I tell you what, y'all certainly have made it easy. My job has been easy just watching you guys. Awesome job. Y'all be careful and take care.
Sure do thank you there, Captain Andy, and you have a good one and a safe one out here. We got plenty miles to go now. We're headed down to Mexico, so another job down there. Y'all be safe.
Copy that. Y'all be careful. Y'all get a margarita from me when you get there. There's a star on this one.
Hey, come on, Capt.
Hey, we certainly enjoyed it. I want you guys to stay safe now and y'all have a good trip. I've enjoyed every minute of being a part of this thing and watching y'all work. Y'all have certainly made it look easy. You guys take care, and if we don't see you again, we'll be looking for you. We'll put it to you that way. You guys take care. Be safe.
Same to you, Capt. It was a pleasure. Enjoyed the videos and all that good stuff. You have a safe one.
VB, Mullet, channel 71. You copy radio?
can call him the BB?
Yeah, copy. VB, you on 7-1?
I am.
Hey, Roger. This is the Mullet. We'll let you guys give y'all good pardons here, and I want y'all to have a safe trip. Be careful with that rig. It's been quite the experience watching you guys work. That is quite the machine. Y'all be careful headed south. And I hate to say it, but I hope I don't see y'all again. But if we do, we'll enjoy seeing y'all again. You guys take care. It was quite the experience.
Yeah, Roger, I appreciate the compliment. But what do you mean, you're not coming to Mexico with us?
No, I'm not sure that Mexico's where I need to be right now, but that certainly would be the experience. You guys get down there and get it done. Be careful what y'all do. Take care. Y'all made it look easy.
Roger, Roger. Be safe. Safe travels for you.
Hey, Minorcan Navy, thanks for watching the video, sticking with us on this thing. If you're just joining us, we're going to ask you to click on that subscribe link, hit the thumbs up, share the video, send us some comments, but most of all, we want you guys to stay safe out there.